Hello again in another video. Today I will show you how to connect your messenger to n8n, how to create your first messenger bot, and how to make a list of your prospects ID and then send them bulk messages. And all of this is free. As you can see, this workflow is running right now, sending bulk messages to some prospects that I have on my Google Sheet list. So between each message, the workflow waits 5 seconds, and then after each message sent, it is written on my sheet so that I know who got the message and who didn't. As you can see, I got sent. Now I will stop the workflow. Let's start from the beginning to connect our messenger to n8n. We'll start with this webhook node trigger. We got the webhook URL that we will need on our Facebook Meta app. Let's go to Meta for Developers, choose your app, and then go to the messenger setting and set up your messenger. I've already did that before, so I just click settings. And here we got the configuration. We got the callback URL. Just paste your URL from the webhook node and create your verify token. I just name it test token. Before you click verify and save, let's go back to our webhook and execute the webhook. Then go back and click on verify and save. So we got our output with all the needed informations, especially the query, which contains the subscribe, which is the hub mode, and the verify token, and the hub challenge. So these what we need for our respond on webhook, or the configuration of our messenger bot. Let's add an if node to drag and drop the queries, only two of the queries, the hub mode. Let's type in subscribe, add another condition, and drag and drop the verify token. Type in your verify token, the one you chose, of course. Let's execute the step, and then we'll go and add another node. But before that, let's see our query. It's sent successfully. Let's add the respond on webhook node. Here we'll only need the, let's change it to test, and let's drag and drop the hub challenge. We'll only need the hub challenge. Before we execute, I did execute, but before we execute, I should go to the webhook node and then change to using respond webhook. Then let's execute the workflow and then go back and click verify and save. Now we got our messenger configured in our n8n. As you can see, you'll see the green check in the configure webhook. And here we got the permissions down there. We should select one permission, which is messages. Let me see. Look for messages and switch that on to subscribe. And then go back to your webhook node. You should add multiple or allow multiple HTTP methods. We'll need the post. Go to the settings, turn on the allow multiple HTTP methods, and then execute the step. Now, but we need to connect or configure our Facebook page first. Go to the Generate Access Tokens section and then add your Facebook page and allow the permissions, which is messages and message reads, and save. Now let's execute our workflow. Go to Facebook. I'll send a message. Hey, let's go check the output. Let me see. All right, I got the message on the output. Let's add another node, which is an AI agent, of course. Switch that to define below. And let's drag and drop the part where we have our IDs, which is messaging. And in the system message, we'll keep it as it is. And let's add a chat model. OpenAI. Let's execute the step or the node. And here we got our node executed. Now we need to reply to my message. We add an HTTP request node. For the URL, I just drag and drop the one I already have. You can get it from your docs on Meta for Developers in the Graph API overview, or you can just type it manually. So we got our URL and then the n8n version, and then we got our page ID and slash messages. All right, the page ID, we got it from our webhook. And the messages. All right, here in the authorization or authentication, just click on generic credential type and choose the header auth. It's where we will configure or add our access token, create new credentials. In the value, type in authorization. You should type it as the way I'm typing it right now. Don't use any other expressions. And here, you'll need the access token. So you can generate your access token from the generate access tokens section, or as I will do, you can go and create a permanent access token from your Facebook or Facebook for Business. Let's go and click on the system user. Click on generate access or generate token. Before that, you should add your app on your business portfolio, and then you can create or generate your access token. So after I clicked on generate, you can choose 60 days or never. And here we got our permissions. Just select all the permissions that are related to your Facebook and Instagram, and of course your pages. And then you will click on generate token. So I already have my credentials, so I will not generate another access token. I just go and select my credentials. And here in the send body, I'll switch the send body on. Now I'll change it from using field below to using JSON. I already have my JSON example or my JSON configured. I'll just copy and paste it. Here we got the recipient ID, which is the sender ID, the one who sent us the message. Let me show you from where I got the sender ID, from the webhook node. And here we got our sender ID. Just drag and drop it on this JSON. And then we'll drag and drop our message from the AI agent. And execute this step. I think I'll have to change my credentials. I'll just do this one. The problem is I should change the method from get to post. I forgot to change the method. Now let's execute the step. And here we got our reply. Let's go to Facebook and check. Here is my reply. Thanks for watching this first part of our tutorial. In the next video, you will learn how to create a list of your prospects or customers and then send them bulk messages.